Coffee time, and welcome to this week's video. Come to Hazeley Heath again, mainly because it's local and I haven't got a lot of time prepping up to go on holiday to Sweden over the weekend, so sort of pinched a bit of time this morning to come out. Parked at the opposite end of the RSPB reserve by Bramshill House, Jacobean house. It's up on the hill, quite imposing on the hill there. My recollection of Bramshill was when it was the police college, became too expensive for them to run, so they sold it, and as far as I'm aware they use it for filming. I think Matilda the musical was filmed in this location. So this morning I've seen some fallow deer, I've seen a couple of prickets, about 6 or 7 all told, so that's the most number and the most local I've seen them, so that might be worth looking into in the autumn. I've seen some stone chats, again some juvenile ones, which was really quite pleasing. I've seen the common whitethroats here quite a few times, but today there was one singing from the top of a tree, and I just noticed that the moon was in the background, so I manoeuvred myself, just couldn't resist taking some video of that. So one of the highlights for me today, and a first, is to see the lesser spotted woodpecker. It's the smallest of the woodpeckers in the UK. It was moving in and around a silver birch. It looked as if it must have been pretty much a favourite tree, and at one part it looked as if there was a possible nest. It entered a couple of times. Uncertain whether it's in use, whether it is actually a nest or whether it's just something where he's feeding grubs from. But yeah, really pleased. Like I say, big highlight for the day. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, and hopefully you'll join me after my holiday and a well-deserved rest to continue our coffee time adventures.